G'day guys and girls, my name's Jamie Graham. Welcome to another Earth Moving Equipment magazine test drive. Look, we're over here in Perth. We've got Mark here.
Jamie.
How you going, Mark? Great to see you.
Good to see you, yeah.
You too. And we've got Scotty, our operator to the stars. How are you, Scotty?
Hey Jamie, how's things going?
Really well. So look, Mark, look at this beautiful big 745 behind us. What do you want to share with everyone at home about some of the new features?
You don't really know where to start. It's so packed with features that, I guess really starting with safety, because that's paramount with a lot of people. So the stability assist in this machine, when you're backing up on a pile, a lot of these trucks, because they're articulated and pivot, they tip over. When the load goes up, a bit of clay in the top, and they fall over. This, we showed it here today, you can't lift it warns you, alarms, and physically won't allow you to do it until you go into a safe position, so you're not compromising the machine. That's a great feature.
100%.
Over and above that, the automatic retarder control. That combined with the traction control, they just all work seamlessly together with almost no input from the operator. And it just makes it so much easier for the operator to do a safe job. You got 45, all up, you got 72, 73 tonne coming down a hill, fully loaded, in a wet conditions. That can be pretty exciting.
I can imagine.
So that automatic traction control is just magnificent. It takes that away from the operator.
And I guess with that extra safety comes extra confidence, which can also, I guess, equate to, faster efficiencies, right?
Oh, certainly productivity. That's a major thing, but also the wear and tear on the drive line. When you're manually engaging diff locks and things like that, and you don't take it out at the right time, can load your axles, load your whole machine up. So, computers are amazing. They sense everything, and they can just turn it on and turn it off at the optimum time. So, it's a beautiful tractor. That if someone did get in a compromising position, it also sends it back to the cloud. The payload on it, the lights on the front there, you can record every tonne that goes in there, you can record where it goes. That coupled with the rest of the machines on site, you can track your materials. It's just a beautiful tractor. It really has come together well. Caterpillar, since DJB, back in the 60s, I think, David John Brown, took that on. He used all CAT components, and they've just come such a long way, particularly in the last few years. It's a winner. It really is a winner.
The digital age, it's a beautiful thing. Awesome, Mark. Well, look, why don't we get Scotty in there behind the wheel, and he can come back to us with a bit of feedback on how she goes.
Yeah, sounds like a plan.
Awesome, let's do it. So Scotty, you look like you just had a blast in there, mate. So I tell you what are the operators going to really appreciate when they jump in this machine? What features are going to really jump out at them?
I think from the get-go, Jamie, the size of the cab and how comfortable it is initially, and then obviously once you're getting about the place, it's a smooth ride. There's some really neat little features that I think the operators are going to love in the fact that you got hill assist. So when you're pulling up on a grade, it won't roll back. You can power on, take off easy without any fuss. I think the stability assist is going to be fantastic. So when you get that body on a funny angle, you're going to have an alarm at you. That's your chance to stop what you're doing and address it. Auto retard control, fantastic. We have auto hoist. You got auto everything, and it's super easy and super intuitive for an operator to jump in that and start being productive.
Mate, you mentioned the cab, mate. Even my big long legs, I sat in there, I had piles of room. So, mate, it's gonna take the big boys pretty easily as well, right?
Yeah, you're 7'10", I'm 6'4", so that's
it.
Yeah.
Perfect, mate. Perfect. So from a control perspective, actually operating the steering, the wheel, how did it feel? Like, what was it actually like?
It was really nice, mate. The thing about the turning radius was really neat. So when you're working in those tight little areas, it's going to do it for you.
Excellent.
Hydraulics were nice, nothing heavy-handed about it. Beautiful.
Visibility?
Oodles. Lots of glass. Lots of glass, good air conditioning system.
Which is not today, we didn't need it, but I'm sure when it's cranking 34 degrees, mate, it's going to be keeping everyone nice and cool. Mate, look, that's awesome. Thanks for sharing, Scotty.
No problem, man.
Cheers, mate. So, guys and girls, it's been an awesome day out here. We have battled a little bit of weather, but we've come through on top.
Hail.
A little bit of hail. But I tell you, what has come out on top was the 745, mate. What an absolute beast. You had a blast in there, right?
Mate, I'll tell you what, it's been a little while since I've been in an ADT, and you nearly had to have a doctorate in engineering to understand when to bring cross locks in and whatnot. Now, That's all been taken away with the automatic traction control.
Yep.
You know, the auto retarding feature that it's got is fantastic. The safety system's built into it.
Yep.
Yeah, fantastic, and a smooth ride.
Awesome.
Smooth ride.
Awesome. Straight from the horse's mouth, you heard it, guys and girls. So look, thanks so much for tuning in for another Earth Moving Equipment magazine test drive. Make sure you stay really safe on site. Don't forget to check out the new Cat range. The 745 is a beast. Stay really safe on site. We'll catch you soon.